Dear student, today is the most important class of this chapter related to class 9 maths on the topic of matrices. And today we will discuss about multiplication, addition and subtraction of two matrices or related more matrices which we will discuss right here. So the first we will discuss is the addition and it is the most simple conclusion and calculation of two or more matrices. Let me consider a simple example that I will mention the addition process in that of matrices. Let us consider that matrix A is equal to A, B, C and D. You know that addition, multiplication or subtraction will be occurred when the matrices are 2 or more than 2. So I will consider another matrix that is B will be equal to E, F, G and H. By applying the rule of addition, we will add matrix A and matrix B. So matrix A is plus matrix B is equal to A, B, C, D plus this plus. These elements are matrix A. I will put plus sign here. After that, I will put the element of B, E, F, G, and H. There is not a complex process in it. It is the most simple. Add the corresponding element of the both element. For example, I have right here A and here is F. I will add A to E. The result matrix will be, let's see, A plus E. A plus E. Another net. B plus F. A plus E. B plus F. C plus G. And at last D plus H. This is the simple method to add two matrices. And over that, I will mention right now subtraction of two matrices. And let me explain the same example as I have used in addition processes. For example, I have a matrix A, B, C, and D. After that, B, E, F, G, and H. But here I use positive sign for addition. I will use negative sign for subtraction. Okay, this is matrix A element. This is minus sign, and this is matrix B element. So if I change the sign right here, I will change the sign here. After that, I will change the sign. I will change the sign, and I will change the sign. It means that the process is same in both addition and subtraction, but just change the sign. It is so simple. Don't waste your time over it. It is easy. If any one of you have any issue regarding subtraction or addition, you can ask in the comment section. Let's move to topic number 3, and that is multiplication. Listen to me carefully. Multiplication is a little bit different. The laws and regulation of multiplication is different, but to create a result matrix, the entire sequence which is using in process of multiplication is different. Let me explain each step in detail. I will use a simple example for multiplication, and it is the easy way. First of all, learn the laws, how we use the multiplication sign to multiply the two or more matrices with each other. For example, the process in the law of multiplication data, when the number of rows, when the number of column is equal to the number of row. Whenever we have a first matrix and the number of rows is equal to the number of the second column, the result will be occur. Okay. Now, how to multiply two matrices with each other? Now, the process of multiplication is row will be multiplied with number of column. However, it is the basic rule for multiplication of two or more matrices. Let me explain it. For example, I have a matrix 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have another matrix B is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 2. Applying the rule and product key of multiplication by these two matrices. So I will put and I will write down right here. Matrix A multiply with the matrix B. Here will I draw the element of A, that 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here product, and the second element B, 1, 2, 3, 2. I said that number of rows will be multiplied with number of columns. And the rule is number of row will be equal to number of columns. So here I have two rows and I have two columns and I have two rows. So the rule is applied. Now we will shift this sign while given multiplication to it. So I said that row will be multiplied to column. So this is first row, this is first column. First we will multiply it. 2 multiply 1 will be 2. 3 multiply 3 will be 9. Similarly, 2 multiply with 1 is equal to 2. 3 multiply with 3 will be 9. So, first row, first column. Now, first row, second column. And that will be 2 multiply with 2 will be equal to 4. 3 multiply with 2 will be equal to 6. The first row has finished. Now, the second row is 4 multiply with 1 will be equal to 4 plus 5 multiply with 3 will be equal to 15. Now, the first column finished. 4 multiply with 2 will be equal to 8. 5 multiply with 2 will be equal to 10. The result matrix will be, add both the element. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 4 plus 15 will be equal to 19. And 8 plus 10 will be equal to 18. This is the simple rule for multiplication of two or row matrices. By preparation from exercise, we are discussing multiplication, addition and subtraction. And inshallah, we will cover the entire exercise 1.3